So good day everyone, and I will make a video about proper tools that we can use if you are going to make a project management. So there are three tools or application that we can use. Like for example, the Slack, Trello, and Asana. So first, we are going to make a sign in or log in to Slack. You're going to slack.com, and after you sign in, you will make a or create a new workspace. So let's click the create a workspace. So we will create a workspace. You need to sign in first. Okay. For example, my workspace name is MVA Online Training. And we can invite your team member by sending an email to them. Like for example, I will send an email or invitation. So let's skip it. Like for example, we can invite our team member. So for example, the topic on MBA online training is about the discussion about email management. The name of our channel is Email Management. Okay, we have a first channel, Email Management. So here it is, the channel Email Management, and we can add the people via email. Okay, you can type the name or the email of the person or your teammates. So we can use this or create a description about the discussion of email management. And we can also use the private settings if we on this private settings. So you only the admin can see the settings. Okay, we can save it for now. And we add another channel, like for example, calendar management. We can use public or private. So we can use the public to see or anyone can see. So let's create a calendar management and send an email for our teammates. So we can skip for now or save it. So we have two channel in here. We can also add another channel. Like for example, the discussion is all about identify potential leads or clients. So we can create it, and also we can add a description or what the topic is all about related to this discussion or topic. So you can send it to them. You can use a photo or an reaction emoji. So this is the process on how to use Slack. So we can proceed to Trello. We can add a board name. Unlike in the Slack, the term is channel. So in here in Trello, we can use the term board name. So we can name this board name and email management. So we can put the list, like for example, to do, the doing list, and done. So we can create it later. Okay, next. We can use or send an email to our teammates. So here it is, the email management that we add before. So the to-do list in email management, like or you can add another list like review. So we can add this list. We can use this under the title. You can add or click add card or task to be done, and you can edit by adding dates. So in to-do list, the for example, labeling, and we can assign the member or the certain people that make this task. Like for example, Judean Reyes. And you can also add dates. You can add when the due date is, like for example, or the deadline is November 16. So let's say we will start on November 13 and the deadline is on November, the due date is on November 16. We can start in November 14, for example. So we can save it, and the member that you can assign is actually see this card also. You can add a description, also add links, image, and then save it. And for the doing, if one has been done, once it has done, let's say this card is done, you can also that person in this card, we can already move it here in done. So we can move it in here. So we can move it in here in, so let's say that this task to do is done. So we can move it in here in doing list. Okay. Before it is under in to do card, but we move it in doing card. So for example, this card is labeling. So we can move it into do or in doing while the task is already on processing. Or if all the member doing this task, you can move it in doing. And once the task is done, we can move it in here. In okay. In this card or list done. And add a card in here in doing list like vacation response on email under the email management. So we can edit here or change the member that doing this, or we can edit also the date, make a due date or deadline. We can save it. So this is how the Trello works. So let's proceed to the next one tool that we can use on project management. We can use also the uh, Asana. So let's go to Asana. So you need to sign up first or log in an account in Asana in order to create or to make a new project. So we can use the term project. Unlike in Trello that called boards, you can add a new project. Like for example, I add a new project. The project name is, for example, lead generation management. Lead generation management. So you can choose if you want to public here to make it public or private. So I'll choose this private to members because it's also an example. So let's click the create project. And you can share it to your uh, teammates and add some tasks or naming the tasks. So we can write or add the task under the project of lead generation management. So like for example, the task is, so we will name the task searching potential customer. For example, searching potential customer. The first step is searching potential customer. Okay, we can assign host on whose teammates that doing this task. And we can also add a section like to do, doing, doing, and done. So like for example, we can move it in here in to do. So searching the potential customer. So we can add a task like after searching the potential customer using uh, social media, we can get the contact details. Get the contact details. And after that, by we can sending an email. Okay, so we can move the sending email, for example, it is now processing or ongoing process, the sending email, we can move it in to doing tasks. Or let's say, for example, the list or the task searching potential customer is done. We can move it in here in done section. So here's how we can organize the tasks on our project management. So I forget to name this Okay, this is the task. To do, doing, and done. So, and we can invite teammates. So, for example, we can type or send an email for them. So, here it is. This is the example of making a project management on Asana application. So, thank you for your watching. And so, this is all the three apps, the Slack, so the Slack, the Trello, and the Asana that you can use in order you to make an organized or make a proper project management task.